Guys, in this video you will see amazing drone bike which fly in air and run on land as well. You will see awesome magnetic fidget which give fabulous look to your hand. These all amazing gadgets you can easily buy from Amazon and online. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Guys, you watching Gadget World. This is one of the useful smartphone accessories. With the help of armband phone holder you can hold your phone on arm easily. This is made of high-grade soft material, lightweight, flexible and easy to wear. You can wash it and easy to remove. A stylish protective solution to protect your smartphone. This case is a long-lasting protection solution for your expensive smartphones. It has soft material, keeps your phone as new as it has bought today without any scratch. You can access to all ports, buttons and slots for easy use. It stays secure with super strong strap, can be easily applied and removed. You can run, ride, lift and more without missing a second of your favorite songs and music. Friends, let's talk about these magnetic fidget rings. Basically some of them are rings. There is a set of magnetic rings stick together. You can touch them with your fingers. You can wear them and then do a lot of fidgeting with them. These seen in different ways than traditional fidget spinners and sliders. If you are bored, then try this. You can definitely try a new way. These fidget rings will also come within your budget. You can also buy these from Amazon. Photos and videos shoot everyone in this modern time, but sometimes the phone can't hold it properly and it falls down and the screen breaks. And when you hold with strong grip, the phone feels exactly like a DSLR. You can get a magnetic phone grip. These stick with a snap on the back of the phone. It happens because it's magnetic on its back side and you can hold the phone vertically or horizontally. Can be set in any position. You will also get Bluetooth remote along with it, which lies inside it. With the help of you can share photos and videos without anyone else. You will shoot the content yourself with the help of this phone holder. This gadget is enough for those who also shoot simple videos and make daily vlogs. It will be more useful and you can also use it as a photo stand. You can get this in 4 different colors. You will get it by choosing your favorite color. Here is a mini drone with HD camera, and the design of the drone is very simple and minimal, and the size has been kept quite compact. And not only the design but also its controller is simple and easy. You have to mount your smartphone in it, then connect it to the drone. It will give first-person view live shot on your phone. You will see that this drone is very lightweight and flies so accurately. You can use it outdoors as well as indoors. The mini drone is very suitable for aerial photography, travel, hiking, camping, etc. It can also be used as a gift to your friends and family. If your car is heat, do a little upgrade and this RGB fans solve the problem of heat. You can install these on the dashboard of your car, and if you want, you can install 2 fans for 1 driver and second for passenger. It is very small but enough for 1 person. It gives air when connected to car AC. It will cool the interior more quickly with airflow. The feature that I liked is its cool RGB lights. Have you seen the first time RGB lights in fan? Tell me in comment. If we are talking about car, then one more thing that related to car accessories. Let's see the useful car gadget. This one is handhold vacuum cleaner, which is specially made for the car. You can find different types of attachments. You can clean the entire car by using this vacuum cleaner. It clean the interior of the car. Should be even with such corners where dust accumulates and where our hands not goes easily. It is multi-purpose as per your need by using different attachments. Now if you are wondering that what this is, guys, let me tell you that this metal foldable phone stands, it's are not made of plastic because plastic ones are breaks down easily. These metal phone strong ones not break, due to which it made of super strong and hard material. You can keep on this smartphones, tablets. The anti-skid silicone which can make your devices stabler and protect them from any scratches and slide down. It is a compact folded which is only the size of a palm. This cell phone holder for desk is convenient for travel, home and office. It gives you with multi-angle adjustable desk phone holder stand, allows you to adjust comfortable angle. It can adjust 7 different angles and 10 heights, and you can choose the best one. You can buy this amazing product from Amazon. Friends, if you are a content creator, then this phone stand is for you. This phone stand, which can automatically track face movement and full body tracking, support horizontal and vertical tracking modes, make all the shots focused on you. Phone tripod can identify many people, but currently, it only tracks the person closest to it. This face tracking camera holder compatible with multiple live broadcast and camera software and suitable with iPhone or Android system. You can record vlogging, Instagram, Facebook Live and video at any time. The auto face tracking phone holder base is equipped with universal interface, which is the connection for mobile phone holders and camera tripods. Suitable for live broadcast/teaching/meeting/cooking records. It is so compact and lightweight so you can use it indoors or outdoors. You will be able to use it there or anywhere else. Friends, you can buy this amazing tripod from Amazon with affordable price. Now you see a boat, which also a good RC racing boat. These are controlled from the remote, in which lithium polymer battery is installed. Talking about looks, a streamlined line body, and it also has very strong graphics are attached. This cool RC boat doing flips in water, she does more awesome stunts. It is totally waterproof and anti-collision. Let me tell you, this is not for children. Kids won't be able to control it. Soon you can run them solo, and you can also race with your friends. When their battery is low, an alarm sounds in the controller so that you take the boat out of the water and get the battery charge. Friends, this is last gadget, which is drone. This is not normal drone, it deformable motorcycle drone. This 2-in-1 easily converts from a drone to a motorcycle in less than a minute. No tools are required as you manually transform. Includes adjustable rotors and wheels. Use the hand controller included or use the smartphone app to control this drone bike. It is compatible with all smartphone devices. The drone feature includes one key takeoff and return mode. Once the control signal is lost, the aircraft will automatically return. The drone also includes a hover mode and has 3 different speeds. It'll charge you via cable, and for each 60-minute charge, you have the ability to fly your drone for 8 minutes or drive your cycle around for 15 minutes. It comes with a built-in HD camera with first-person view so you can record video and take pictures from your adventures. Now friends, it's your turn. If you not still like the video, like it please. Also subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. You will not miss the next amazing gadgets. Share this video with your friends. Also tell me comment which gadget do you like the most.